Welcome back to the Appy Pie Job Portal series. After jobs and companies, this video covers adding and managing job seekers and providers. Open users in the site and evade job seekers and job providers sit underneath. The job seekers list shows every applicant, name, email, phone, and status. Hit Add Job Seeker to register a new one. Fill the user info, name, email, phone, location, date of birth, gender, experience. We're adding Virgil Van. Then the email and phone number. Location uses Google Places, type a city and pick the right match. Pick a date of birth from the calendar. Set the gender, then the years of experience. Click Save. And Virgil Van lands at the top of the list, marked active. Hover the eye icon to toggle a seeker active or inactive in one click. The Actions menu gives you edit to update details and delete to remove. Or select rows with the checkbox and bulk change status from the top bar. Search by name to pull up a single seeker fast. Now job providers, same shape, with company info attached. Hit Add Job Provider. And fill the personal details, name, email, company name, and location. We're adding Mary Monroe. The company name dropdown lists every company you added. Pick Brightside Solutions. Company address autofills from that company record. Save. And Mary Monroe joins the top of the list, active and verified. Each row has the same edit and delete actions. Search, filter, and bulk status work the same way as job seekers. That's how you add and manage job seekers and providers in the Appy Pie Job Portal.